Huckabee, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Erath County in north-central Texas, Jack County in north-central Texas, Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, Hood County in north-central Texas, western Wise County in north-central Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bluffdale, or over Morgan Mill, moving north at 60 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Lipan. Hazard, baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Expect wide damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lipan, Mineral Wells, Millsap, Morgan Mill, Bluffdale, Cool, Toller, Perrin, Joplin, Brazos, Brock, Santo, Grafford, Salesville, Witt and Brock Junction. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 378 and 402. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of causing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building, and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Erath County.